Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's short video I wanted to go over the annoying fuel door issue on the MK6 Fiesta. Right, a short but hopefully helpful video today. The MK6 Fiesta locking fuel door is relatively easy and simple in its design. However, when the car is 15 years old, they do start to break. The idea is that you put your ignition key into it, turn it and open it. Pretty easy. However, as the car gets older, you'll notice they get stiff, almost like something is holding it back from turning. I'm going to show you a very easy way to fix this. All you're going to need is some WD-40 or WD-40 fast release penetrating lube works a lot better. First, begin by spraying the outside of the lock. Then carefully spray the lube around the edge of the filler cap neck near the lock. This is if, like me, it was impossible to open. Then spray some lube onto the actual key and insert it into the barrel. Wiggle it back and forward a few times and push it in and out while spraying more lube into the keyhole and around the edge of the key. You'll notice the more you try to turn it, the more the mechanism loosens up. This is the mechanism also becoming less stuck as you try to put force on it. If you can get the door open, but it's still a bit sticky, try spraying some more lube onto the inside of the mechanism. Spray onto the area where the lock is and twist the key inside the barrel, and hopefully you should feel it moving more freely until you won't feel any resistance. This is before, where the locking mechanism had so much resistance it could almost snap the key in half. And this is after, with the locking mechanism now moving really nice and free. I hope you've enjoyed this video guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content, and I will see you in my next video.